Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to go ahead to introduce all the new products on my right hand. This is the single side with a June board and one compartment units. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about like 38.5 inches in the length. And the overall height is about like 43 inches in tall. And the depth of the units is about like 23.5 inches deep. So as we can see, they have a June board on site for the units. This June board is about like 16 inches in the length and 20 inches in the depth. And the height of this June board, they are about like 36 inches in total. Okay, we can take close to see the sink size. The manufacturer offered accessories. They come in one visit. And for the sink size, it's 18 inches by 18 inches by 12 inches deep. And also they come in with the 2 holes for your mount the faucets on these positions. So diameters from here is about like 8 and 1/4 inches. That will be the all information about these products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.